great. Today I'm going to show you how to do the chakrasana or the wheel pose very easily at home. So let's begin how to do the wheel pose or the chakrasana on the mat. First we're going to prep our spine a little bit like this. You can do even cat-cow. Prepping up is very important. Exhale airway, pull your feet towards your glutes, arms reach up and over, your fingertips should be pointed towards your toes, lift your glutes, press the ground with your arm and now straighten your arms. Open your chest and slowly bring your heels and hands closer. And slowly put your head back on the mat and take rest. Stand with a little bit of gap in between your feet and keep one arm distance from a wall. And slowly bend your spine backward with the help of the wall. And finally put your palm down on the mat. Be in this position for a while. And slowly get up again with the help of the wall. Stand with a little bit of gap in between your feet. Then bend your spine backward slowly while pushing your pelvic bone forward gradually. When finally you can see the ground, raise your arms and touch the floor. Raise your heel and palm and lift your body upward. Put your heel and palm back on the mat and then slowly get up by pressing the mat very hard with your legs. Next one is stretching. I'm doing some forward bend to let my spine relax. You can relax in any way possible. Be calm, give your spine a little time to rest before ending your session. The wheel pose strengthens your abdomen, spine, shoulders, hands and legs. It stretches your chest and lungs. It is very effective to cure thyroid disorder. It improves the function of the digestive and reproductive system. It is very effective to cure the back pain. It opens the heart chakra, loosens hip, reduces osteoporosis, stretches the back, promotes weight loss, balances the nervous system. So it was it for today. I hope you really get to know how to do the wheel pose or chakrasana very easily. Do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.